Hi everyone. In this video I'll show you how you can easily create a website if you're interested in the option of presenting your task to on a website. This tool is called Wix. There are other website creation tools as well, but this is one that is really easy to use, and I'm just going to walk you through how you can get started with this tool. So first of all, you just need to navigate into the Wix website, which is wix.com, and this is what you get. So what you need to do is just click on Start Now. Now, I already have a Wix account, but if you don't have an account, what you need to do is sign up. So you click on the sign up button here. That's where you get to put in your email and choose a password. But I already have an account, so I log in here. Here we go. This will look a little different for you because I already have things here. You will have a screen that just says create a new website in the middle, but if you already have a Wix account, you go to website and then create a new site. It asks you what kind of a website you want to create. Now, all this does is that it has the default settings are a bit different depending on what sort of a site you are doing. So I'm just going to other. Now you have two options. You can start with an artificial design intelligence thingy. I've tried this and I didn't really find it quite as intuitive. You can play around with it and see what you like, but I'm a bit old school and I just want to start with an editor. So with an editor, you basically get a shell of a website where you can just drag and drop items, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the first thing you need to do is choose a template. Now, don't worry too much about this because you can always get back to the template and change it even after you've got some content on your website. So if you scroll down, you'll see that there's heaps of options, and some of these are free. Most of them are free, but some of them cost money. So just make sure that you choose one that is free. I choose this one because it has a really clean look to it. So then when you pick it, you just click on edit. Then you get to the editor, and this is where you can add content to your website. Now we're just waiting for it to load. Here we go. Oh, the first thing
Bring your site to life
is to play you a video tutorial. So I suggest that you take a moment to watch the tutorial. It's only a couple of minutes. I'm not going to play it now in this recording, so I'll just click it off. And this is what your editor looks like. So you get to choose a different background. You can go bananas with your background or whatever you want to choose. And remember, you can always come back and change it later. So let's go with the nice ocean horizon thingy because it's very clean and gives you a good idea of what else is on the website. So that was background. The next one is add. And add is where you can add anything to your website. You can add text, you can add images, image gallery, slideshow, button to navigate, box, strip. Oh, there's all sorts of things that you can put in here. Contact details, a menu, lists of things. You can start your own blog. If you want to sell things, you can add a store, and there's also more. But I think we want to start with a text. Now, with text, You can do a heading, you can do a paragraph, and there's different fonts and styles. So I'll go with the huge title. Now I have a huge title here, and I can just write in whatever I want. So this is my Hanna's authentic learning task. Well, that doesn't look too good, but you get the idea of what you can do with this. If you want more text, just go with a paragraph. So you can drag and drop these things around here. You can take Hanna's authentic learning task away and start with your paragraph here, and just write things here on this website. I'll present an authentic learning task for whatever purpose. So here you see when you write here, you get text settings, and here you can change the font size. You can bold it. All these things that are familiar from word processing software. Now also, this is a website. So on a website, you usually have links. So this is another handy thing that you're going to need for your website. And never mind that mine is looking quite horrible at the moment. I'm just showing you how this works. So let's say I want to make authentic learning a link to a website where there is more information about authentic learning. So I select the text, select the link, and you can do a page anchor. That's inside the website. You can anchor to a part of your website, but you can also link to an outside website. So we are linking to authentic learning info. And you can choose whether you want it to open in a new window or current window. I always recommend new window so you don't lose the navigation on your website. Done. And now you see it has underlined it and it has become a link. So this is how you can add stuff on your website. What else do we have in add? We want to add a menu. Let's add a menu. We want to have a menu like this. So we'll have a home, we'll have oops, it's just making it bigger. Have different layouts, different designs. You can stretch it, manage menu. So this is where you write what these things are. I'm going to say that this is not a portfolio, this is authentic learning. So this is the page where I'm going to explain about authentic learning. About, I change into rename. About, I change into um, my learning project. This is where I'm going to explain what this project is about. And then under news, which I also rename. Oops, I clicked somewhere different. But as you can see, now we've already got these new different headings here. Looks like I accidentally changed the style in this website. I go back to add. Yep, here I'm back where I wanted to be. Oh, now I want to navigate to my authentic learning page. Yeah, I'm here. This is my authentic learning page, which I just created. And I can change page design, and I can also edit text. I can remove all these pictures, and I'll just edit text here, and this page title is Authentic Learning. I'll make it a little bit longer so it fits in. So you can just drag and drop things here. Now I want to have text on this page. So I go with a paragraph. I can drag and drop my paragraph to different parts of the page, wherever I want to have it. I can change images. I can also delete images. Woohoo! That was right click. I'll show with the other one. Oh, it's gone. So it was right click on your mouse and then choose delete. So this is a paragraph. And this is where I'll explain about authentic learning. Now I've finished. I want to add a picture. I go to image. I can go to free Wix images. These are images that you are free to use. Authentic learning needs a surfboard, add to page. And again, I can drag and drop it where I want. Now, if I finished editing authentic learning and I want to edit my learning project site, you click on it, click on navigate, my learning project, and here you are on your my learning project page, and you can add text here. So I hope this makes sense. And I think the best way of learning to use these editors is just to have a go and play around and play with different elements. And I can guarantee it's a lot of fun too. And this is also something that you can then use with your own students because it's free and it can be used for any kinds of purposes. You could even make the goal of your authentic learning project that the students will create a website for some purpose that suits your teaching topic. So this is, and when you're ready, you click on publish, which is on the upper right hand side corner here. So this is basically how you get started with Wix, and I really hope that you enjoy using this tool and you'll be able to create a cool website for your task too. Thanks for watching. Bye.